Have you ever wondered if robots might someday replace humans in most tasks? A question that once seemed absurd, yet today, it's a genuine contemplation. This isn't a sudden occurrence, but rather the result of a journey that began decades ago, with the dawn of artificial intelligence and robotics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that's been buzzing around for quite some time. But what exactly is it? Simply put, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It involves learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Essentially, AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like us, humans. On the other hand, robotics is a branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Robots are programmable machines that carry out a series of actions autonomously or semi-autonomously. So, while AI is about the brain, robotics is more about the body. The history of AI and robotics is a fascinating one. It dates back to the ancient times when humans first started dreaming of machines that could perform tasks without human intervention. The idea of automated machines was first introduced by the Greeks in the form of simple mechanical devices like water clocks. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, we saw the birth of the first AI programs. These programs were primitive by today's standards, but they laid the foundation for the AI that we know today. Around the same time, robotics also began to take shape, with the creation of the first programmable robot in the early 1950s. Since then, AI and robotics have been evolving at an unprecedented rate, becoming more sophisticated and capable with each passing year. They've transcended from the realm of simple, task-specific machines to complex systems capable of learning, adapting, and even creating. So, we see that AI and robotics aren't just science fiction. They've been around for a while, evolving at an unprecedented rate. Their journey is far from over, and their potential is limitless. As we delve deeper into this intriguing world, we'll explore how they're transforming our lives today and what the future might hold. Now, you might be asking, where do we see AI and robotics in our daily lives? Well, the impact of these technologies is more pervasive than you might think. Imagine a hospital setting. Surgeons are performing a highly intricate procedure, aided by robotic arms. These arms, powered by artificial intelligence, can make precise movements that significantly reduce the margin of error, potentially saving lives. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a real-world application of AI and robotics in healthcare. Or consider the manufacturing sector. Here, AI and robotics work in harmony to streamline production processes. Robots on assembly lines can perform repetitive tasks tirelessly, reducing human fatigue and errors. Meanwhile, AI algorithms can optimize these processes, learning over time to make them even more efficient. Now let's take a trip. Imagine you're heading to work, but instead of driving, you're sitting back and relaxing in a self-driving car. This isn't just a luxury. It's a safety measure. AI-powered autonomous vehicles can react faster than humans to unexpected situations, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. And it's not just on the road or in factories. Even in our homes, AI and robotics are becoming integral parts of our lives. Think about your voice assistant, whether it's Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Powered by AI, these assistants help us manage our schedules, play our favorite music, or even control other smart devices in our homes. But it's not just about making life easier or more convenient. These technologies also make tasks safer. Robots can perform dangerous jobs such as defusing bombs or inspecting hazardous environments, keeping humans out of harm's way. Moreover, AI and robotics bring a level of efficiency that is simply unmatched. They can work around the clock, perform tasks faster and with greater accuracy, and even learn from their experiences to constantly improve. From self-driving cars to voice assistants on our phones, AI and robotics are indeed making a significant impact on our lives. And this is just the beginning. The future promises even more fascinating applications of these cutting-edge technologies. But why should we care about AI and robotics? Well, let's dive into the significance of these technologies in our society. AI and robotics are not just about creating cool gadgets or impressive software. They represent a seismic shift in how we live and work. Consider productivity, for instance. With AI and robotics, businesses can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. This also leads to reduced human error, as machines are not susceptible to fatigue or lapses in concentration. The result? Increased efficiency and better quality output. But what about jobs? Aren't robots taking over human jobs? While it's true that some jobs may be automated, AI and robotics are also creating new roles that didn't exist before. We're talking about drone operators, AI specialists, robotic engineers, and many more. These are exciting, high-skilled jobs that are shaping our future. Beyond the workplace, AI and robotics are poised to solve complex problems that have plagued humanity for years. We're already seeing this in healthcare, where AI can predict diseases before symptoms even appear, or in climate science, where machine learning models help us understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change. And let's not forget how these technologies are transforming industries, from self-driving cars revolutionizing the transport sector to AI algorithms disrupting the financial industry. The potential is staggering. But it's not just about economic benefits or technological advancements. It's about harnessing these technologies to build a better, more equitable society. Using AI to make education more accessible, employing robots to perform dangerous tasks, thus safeguarding human lives. The significance of AI and robotics is far-reaching and profound. It's about reimagining what's possible and pushing the boundaries of human potential. While the future of AI and robotics is still being written, one thing is clear: these technologies are here to stay, and their impact on our world is undeniable.